My video guide will provide you with detailed guidelines that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called 3D Tree. This is the extension specifically designed for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension indicate that by installing it, you'll be able to obtain web browsing on a new level. 3D tree with amazing animation of new page. Maybe this feature is helpful for some people, but the trouble is that this particular extension actually operates as a browser hijacker. It changes your default search engine. So because of that, you will experience unwanted browser redirections through random website. If this extension was mistakenly added to the Google Chrome, you need to get rid of it immediately. This extension. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. So disable and remove this unwanted extension. Now, to make sure that the system is free of other unwanted software, I would recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and then start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.